Hey there, my name is Nick, I'm with the Dine Company, and these are humble members of your kitchen crew, helping you to fill your customers' stomachs while your customers fill your coffers. A relationship of beautiful symmetry. Today, we're going to take a look at how you clean these guys, and we're going to show you some things that Dine has in stock that will help assist you in that endeavor. At Dine Company, we take pride in offering a wide selection of griddles and charbroilers designed to meet the rigorous demands of professional kitchens. Shop trusted griddle and charbroiler brands like Vulcan, Garland, Globe, and more in a variety of sizes to meet your needs. We also stock a wide range of accessories including gas hoses, regulators, and equipment stands. We stock a comprehensive range of equipment cleaning supplies. From heavy-duty scrapers to long-handled brushes, we stock the supplies you need to tackle tough buildup and keep your equipment in top-notch condition. To shop or for more information, visit us online at dinecompany.com and click the Shop Online link. For your griddle, Chef Master offers a premium griddle scraper. Includes a 5.5-inch blade, which is easy to remove and to clean. It also includes 2 handles to maximize efficiency of your scraping and your cleaning, and will lower on the fatigue of the worker. And as an alternative, Chef Master also offers an economic griddle scraper. Same size blade, 15.5-inch handle to keep your workers far from the grease. With the griddle off but still warm, proceed to scrape forward to loosen the debris, and then once spread forward, scrape backwards into the bottom tray in order to evenly clean off your griddle. And for a deeper clean, once the griddle has been scraped, you can get yourself some Liqui-Grill along with 20-pack of griddle screens, griddle screen holder, apply to the surface and press down with 1 griddle screen, and that will help you remove any carbon that has been collected on top of the griddle. Liqui-Grill is a highly efficient, fast-acting griddle cleaner with a balanced blend of grease and carbon removers. Non-caustic liquid safely and quickly dissolves burnt residue and buildup on griddle surfaces. No strong chemical odors or irritating fumes. Meets the U.S. EPA Safer Product Standards. For your charbroilers, Carlisle offers a brush with a very long handle to keep you away from the heat while you're doing your cleaning. And like your griddle, for the charbroiler, make sure that the unit is off but warm and proceed to scrape to the bottom to remove any debris on the top. And for smaller food service units, such as panini grills, Carlisle and Lippmann offer scrub brushes to help you get into hard to reach places. Remember, when you take care of your kitchen crew, you take care of your customers, your coworkers, everybody. Links for all the products selected here will be in the description below. And remember, here at Dine, we believe in the 5 E's of food service: excellence, easier, efficient, effective, and exceptional. Thank you for your time.